Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck wash soaps on Amazon. The right truck wash soap will protect your truck's exterior and clean off all the dirt and grime so you can proudly drive your truck anywhere. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap and Shampoo. Mr. Pink is a popular car wash soap used for cleaning all vehicle types. What makes this product so special is the sudsy foam. The soap foams up to an incredible degree, allowing you to remove all kinds of dirt and debris without much effort. Mr. Pink also leaves a pleasant smell that lingers. You can choose candy or pina colada and pick a 1-gallon, 16-ounce, or 64-ounce bottle. The Chemical Guys product turns out to be perfect for weekly vehicle maintenance. It features a pH-neutral formula, so it makes a completely safe option for frequent washes. The liquid is extra slick and rinses off easily without leaving scratches on the surface. Overall, Mr. Pink is easy to use, safe, and efficient. With it, your vehicle's paintwork will brighten up and have a better appearance than ever. Mr. Pink doesn't work well for everyone, though. The product is designed for pressure washers and can't work well without them. If you need a truck wash soap for hand washing. Also, some buyers complained about the product leaving spots when not wiped to dry completely. Number 2. Chemical Guys Citrus Wash. The Chemical Guys Citrus Wash has a citrus base and is a hyper-concentrated wash gloss that's suitable for a range of surfaces. The shampoo and gloss enhancer leaves your vehicle dirt-free and gleaming. Once you apply the solution to your truck, it instantly gets to work, so there's no waiting around. The lubricating foam removes soil and debris for an easy rinse that doesn't leave any scratches behind. If purchasing this soap, consider that its texture is slightly thinner than most on the market. Consequently, this means the solution can easily run down the vehicle if you don't wipe it up quickly. Number 3. Chemical Guys Tough Mudder Foaming Truck. The Tough Mudder Wash Soap from Chemical Guys is designed to dissolve and eliminate the toughest road film, mud, dirt, and other contaminants that tend to accumulate on heavy-duty vehicles. This product is a real game changer, offering unparalleled cleaning performance for those who like to venture off the beaten path. Chemical Guys understands the needs of professional detailers and enthusiasts who require large quantities of cleaning solutions. The Tough Mudder Wash Soap comes in a generous 64 FL ounces, half-gallon, size, providing ample supply for multiple washes. This ensures you won't run out of product in the middle of your cleaning session, saving you time and effort. The Tough Mudder Wash Soap is compatible with all 3 methods. This flexibility allows you to choose the application method that best suits your needs and equipment. Regardless of the approach you choose, rest assured that this wash soap will deliver outstanding results. Number 4. Adams Car Wash Shampoo. Adams Car Wash Shampoo is safe to use on all areas of your vehicle and acts as a degreaser. Its mixture holds a rich and thick foam during your washing experience. At the same time, it's gentle enough to use on plastic elements and won't dry out your truck's trim. This pH-neutral soap is a great purchase for cleaning your vehicle weekly. It creates a slick texture that safely and effectively removes all dirt from your car without damaging the paintwork. However, some customers notice that this product can leave water spots on your vehicle. Therefore, it's best to check over the car after washing or complete the maintenance with a rich wax. Number 5. Karcher Car Wash and Wax Soap. The Karcher Car Wash Soap is a multi-purpose cleaner formulated for hand and pressure washer use. You can use it to clean and maintain cars, trucks, RVs, and much more. The formula is powerful enough to provide great cleaning results in a breeze. Because the Karcher soap is highly concentrated, you'll be able to use it for quite a while. The product is pretty easy to use, especially when combined with pressure washers. It rinses away quickly without leaving residues and leaves the surface perfectly clean. The formula is also biodegradable, which makes this car wash soap safe for the environment. Additionally, the product has an integrated true measure reservoir for precise dispensing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.